early in the morning. So, since today is Saturday, basta ay Saturday lang, cardi today. Okay, here we are. May tanglad, no? And kamonggay is life. So, magutan kami with this. Picture na, Nabil. So, nakapalit ako og kuan tuloy, tamban. Basta kay tuloy and there's salmon. So, akon utanan with the matching tanglad, my favorite. Iwas high blood, healthy. And then, malunggay. So, muna siya ng healthy living and less expenses. Kuha na karon ang kilos ang kuan, tuloy. Tuloy po kayo. And it's still fresh. Lamin to ni sugbaon, no? Ato pa man inoon. Lamin to magsugba or pisik ba? Kapisik ba? Lamin na siya. Kapisik means talan mo asin, then you can cook it. Ganun lang yan. So, good morning. Update face. So, maghagipat pa kami. Yan, pato na na. Look at our kamunggay. So fresh. Very fresh. From the garden. So, magkamunggay kami no kay para maato pa damong kamunggay no kay damo kayo ba. So, kahit lang kami dere. Come on.